Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Students, in chapter number system, we have already done topics write in words, write in figures, place value and face value, greatest number and smallest number, expanded form and short form. Today, I will discuss with you topics successor and predecessor, ascending order and descending order. Write the successor and predecessor. Now students, what is the meaning of successor? Successor means the number that comes just after a given number is called its successor. Now, what is the meaning of predecessor? Predecessor means the number that comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. Now, let's understand it with the help of examples. Example number 1. 28,359. Now students, I have to write down its successor as well as its predecessor. For finding its successor, I will add 1 in the given number, and for finding its predecessor, I will subtract 1 from the given number. Now, let's find out successor. For finding the successor, we will add 1 in the given number. Now, 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So, I will write 0 here and 1 carry over to the next addition. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 3, 8, 2. That means successor of 28,359 is 28,360. Now, let's find out its predecessor. For this, what we will do? We will subtract 1 from the given number. That means 28,359. Now, let's do minus. 9 minus 1 is? Yes, 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. 5 as it is 3, 8, 2. That means predecessor of 28,359 is 28,358. Now, let's take one more example. 60,000. Now, students, again, I have to find out its successor and its predecessor. Again, for finding out the successor, I will add 1 in the given number. And for finding the predecessor, I will subtract 1 from the given number. Now, let's find out its successor. For this, we will add 1 in the given number. 0 plus 1, that is 1. Yes, 0 plus 1 is 1. 0, 0 and 0. At the end, 6. This means successor of 60,000 is 60,001. Now, let's find out predecessor. For this, we will subtract 1 from the given number. Now, let's do minus. Now, students, tell me, can we subtract 1 from 0? No. Then what I'll do? This 0 will borrow from the next number. But next number is again 0. That means again this number will borrow from the next number that is on the left. Again that number is 0. So this 0 will borrow from the next number that is on the left hand side. That is again 0. So this 0 will borrow from 6. 6 will become 5 and 0 will become 10. Now this 0 will borrow from 10. 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Again this 0 will borrow from this 10. This 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now this 0 will borrow from this 10. This 10 will become 9 and this 0 will become 10. Now let's do minus. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is, yes, 9. So we will write down here 9. Next number 9, 9, 9 and 5. That means predecessor of 60,000 is 59,999. Now let's understand ascending order and descending order. Arrange in ascending and descending order. Now students, statement is given to us. Let's read the statement. 12,850, 3,419, 28,005, 1,825. Students, we have to arrange these numbers in ascending order as well as in descending order. Now, for this, what is the first step? First step is we will make 3 columns. For this, we will draw 2 lines, 1 and 2. In the center column, we will write down the place value table. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. In the first column, we will write down ascending. That means we will do the arrangement in ascending order. And on the right side or in the third column, we will write down descending. That means in this column, we will arrange the numbers in descending order. Now students, what is the meaning of ascending? Ascending means when a set of given numbers is arranged from the smallest to the greatest. They are said to be in ascending order. That means we will arrange these numbers from the smallest to the greatest. And what is the meaning of descending order? Descending order means when a set of given numbers is arranged from the greatest to the smallest, then they are said to be in descending order. For descending order, we will arrange these numbers from greatest to the smallest. First of all, let's arrange the numbers. Now students, first of all, we have to arrange 12,850. Students, always keep one thing in your mind. While arranging the number, we will always start from the back and we will start setting from ones place. 0 will come at ones place. 5 at tens place. 8 at hundreds place. 2 at thousands place and 1 at 10,000 place. Now let's arrange second number, that is 3419. Again we will start setting the number from back and from ones place. That means 9 will come at ones place, 1 at tens place, 4 at hundreds place, and 3 at thousands place. 10,000 place is not given, so we can put 0. Now next turn is of 28,005. Let's arrange this number. 5 will come at ones place, 0 at tens place, this 0 at hundreds place, 8 at thousands place, and 2 at 10,000 place. Now next turn is of 1825. Let's arrange this number. 5 will come at ones place, 2 will come at tens place, 8 at hundreds place, and 1 at thousands place. Students, 10,000 place is not given, so we will put here 0. Now let's arrange these numbers in ascending order. That means from the smallest to the greatest. Now students, very first step is compare the first digit of every number. Now which number is smallest? 1, 0, 2 and 0. Which number is smallest? Yes, 0. But there are zeros in two numbers. That means we can't compare these two numbers. Now move to the next place, that is thousands place. Compare the numbers that are at thousands place, that is 3 and 1. Now which is smallest? Yes, 1 is smallest. That means this is number 1 and this is number 2. Now number left are 12,850 and 28,005. Now let's compare these two numbers. Now which number is smallest in between 1 and 2? Yes, that is 1. That means this is number 3 and this is number 4. Now let's write down the ascending order. Ascending order is number 1, 1825. So we will write down 1825. At number 2, 3419. 3419. Number 3 is 12,850. Now 12,850. And number 4 is 28,005. 28,005. Now let's arrange the numbers in descending order. That means from the greatest to the smallest. Again, what we will do? We will compare the first digit of every number. But now we will see the greatest number. Now students, see which number is greatest. 1, 0, 2, 0. Which is greatest? Yes, 2 is greatest. That means this is number 1. Now compare the next three numbers. 1, 0, 0. Which is greatest? Yes, 1. So this is number 2. Now compare the left out numbers. that are 3419 and 1825. Again, what we will do, we will compare the first digit, but we can't compare because in both of numbers first digit is 0. So what we will do, we will move to the thousand place. 3 and 1, which is greater? Yes, 3 is greater. That means this is number 3 and this is number 4. Now let's write down the descending order. Number 1 is 28,005. 28,005. Number 2 is 12,850. 12,850. Number 3 is 3,419. 3,419. Number 4 is 1,825. 1,825. Now students, let's take one more example. Three lakh 12,413, 8,203, 3,12,589, 8,230. Again students, what is the first step? We will make 3 columns. In the first column, we will write down ascending. In the last column or third column, we will write down descending. And in center, we will write down the place value table. Now, let's write down the place value table. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. Now, we will arrange the numbers. First number is 3,12,413. Now, we will start arranging the number from back. 3 will come at ones place. 1 at tens place. 4 at hundreds place. 2 at thousands place. 1 at 10,000s place. And 3 at lakhs place. Now, let's take next number. Next number is 8,203. Again, we will start arranging from back. 3 will come at ones place. 0 at tens place. 2 at hundreds place. 8 at thousands place. Now students, 10,000 place and lakhs place is not given. So what I will do? I can put here 0. Now, let's take next number. Next number is 3,12,589. 9 at ones place. 8 at tens place. 5 at hundreds place. 2 at thousands place. 1 at 10,000s place. And 3 at lakhs place. Now, let's take next number. Next number is 8,230. Now, let's arrange the number. 0 will come at ones place. 3 at tens place. 2 at hundreds place. and 8 at thousands place. Now students, you can see 10,000 place and lakhs place is not given. So what I'll do? I'll put here 0. Now let's arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest to the greatest. Now let's compare the first digit of every number. 3, 0, 3, 0. Which number is smallest? Yes, 0. But 0 is in two numbers. So we can't compare lakhs place. So what we will do? We will move to the 10,000 place. Now again 10,000 place is also 0 for both the numbers. So we will compare next place, that is thousands place. But at thousands place also 8 in this number and 8 in this number. Again we can't compare. Then we will move to the next place, that is hundreds place. Now 2 is at hundreds place in this number, and also in this number 2 is at hundreds place. Again we can't compare. Now we will see the next number, that is number at tens place, that is 0 and 3. Now which is smallest? Yes, 0 is smallest. That means this is number 1 and this is number 2. Now let's compare these two numbers. 3. In this number also 3 and in this number also 3. That means we can't compare. Now we will move to the next place. Next place, 10,000 place. Again at 10,000 place 1 and 1. Comparison is not possible. So we will move to the next place, that is thousands place. Again at thousands place both numbers are 2 and 2. We can't compare. We will move to the next place, that is hundreds place. Now at hundreds place one digit is 4 and other is 5. Now which one is smallest? Yes, 4 is smallest. That means this is number 3 and this is number 4. So ascending order is number 1, 8,203. 8,203. Number 2, 8,230. 8,230. Number 3 is 3,12,413. Number 3 is 3,12,413. Number 4 is 3,12,589. 3,12,589. Now let's arrange the numbers in descending order. That means from greatest to the smallest. Now students, compare first digit of every number. Which one is greatest? 3. But 3 is present in two numbers. That means we can't compare. So what we will do? We will shift to the next number. That is 10,000 place. 1, 1. Again we can't compare. Move to the next place. That is thousands place. Again 2 and 2. We can't compare. Now move to the next place. That is hundreds place. Next at hundreds place one number is 4 and other is 5. Which one is greatest? 5. 5 is greatest. That means this is number 1 and this is number 2. Now these two numbers are left. Now we will compare these two numbers. Now students, you can see here at lakh place and 10,000 place. 0 is given in both the numbers. That means we can't compare. Now we will move to the next place, that is 1000 place. At 1000 place, 8 is given. Comparison is not possible, so we will shift to the next place, that is hundreds place. At hundreds place, again in both number 2 is given. Again we can't compare, so move to the tens place. 0 and 3, which one is greater? Yes, 3 is greater. That means this is number 3 and this one is number 4. Now let's write down the descending order. Number 1 is 3,12,589. 3,12,589. Number 2 is 3,12,413. 3,12,413. Number 3 is 8,230. 8,230. Number 4 is 8,203. 8,203. So students, today we have learnt successor and predecessor, ascending order and descending order. I hope now you are able to do the related homework that we have sent to you in your SNAP homework. But students, before starting the homework, please go through the YouTube links that are already mentioned in your SNAP homework. Have a nice day. Thank you.